Everyone believes they're parking just for a moment. In theory, that sounds harmless. In reality, one bad parking job is all it takes to slow down an entire street. Today, the camera captures karma stepping in fast, precise, and unexpectedly funny. This is Park Time, where patience runs out and parking mistakes are paid back in action. This is the consequence of blocking a railway crossing. I do not encourage this kind of behavior. He's definitely going to pay a lot of money for this mistake. There was some effort, but not nearly enough. When you mess up, should you fix it or escape at all costs?
That's fine.
I bet he'll be shocked when he comes back to find his car. I couldn't stop laughing after watching this ad over and over again. Instead of fixing the parking job, he fixed his stance. Parking in the wrong spot is the fastest way to have your car temporarily change owners. This might feel satisfying to watch, but I strongly advise you never to copy it.
Oh my God!
He paid the price for parking in front of a fire hydrant. Always remember to engage the parking brake before leaving your car, folks. Wow, looks like Spider-Man just swung through here. A perfect example of the universe doing its job, while you were in a hurry. Easy there, my friend. Never park in front of someone else's house without permission. When you find out your wife is cheating on you, that was one intense act of revenge for ignoring the warning signs. Why the rush, my friend? Wouldn't it be better to slow down? She thought she could escape even with her car already hooked to a tow truck. That was a flawless spin, my guy. You might want to remember this move if you're ever in that situation.
Run.
He really thought he could drag the car back into position. This is exactly why instructors tell you to check your mirrors before turning. Things got a little too affectionate and the ending turned out expensive. No idea who approved this guy's driver's license. Smart people use strategy, stubborn ones use strength, but you've got to admit, this guy is incredibly strong.
Oh my God! Wow!
Being stubborn doesn't always beat the crowd. What would you do in this situation? Checking prices from afar isn't enough. You need to inspect them up close like this. He's cool, so he chose to do things his own way. Looks like he stepped out of bed with the wrong foot this morning. Just unlucky all around. A spectacular test run to see how durable a Lamborghini really is. If this were a game, the screen would say, "You chose the wrong turn." A legendary reverse maneuver by a stubborn driver. What would you do here? Just a small argument with his sister, and she keeps chasing him to apologize.
What the fuck? What the fuck was that?
Sir, you cannot park there. Come on, take it home and talk it out. Fighting like this is exhausting, sis. Parking enforcement here. You are not allowed to park in the middle of the road. Some people lift weights at the gym. She lifts car wheels in the parking lot. Looks like it's time to upgrade to a newer car. When someone reverses with this much skill, who wouldn't want to take driving lessons? Where is the front of your car going? You're still back here. This is what can happen when you park in the wrong place. Has anyone experienced this before? Just a friendly handshake, that's all. We're all brothers here, right? Your car wasn't damaged. It was simply modified for an emergency situation. Who hasn't thought about doing this when seeing a badly parked car? Turn that damn thing off right now. When you take a spot meant for someone in need, the community will help you. Stay right there.
I want to start this day by fucking cutting through here.
Never block a bike lane. You never know what price you'll end up paying.
Wait a minute!
Maybe the owner thought the car was low on water and needed a refill. That victory celebration was definitely unique and memorable. Congratulations, you successfully parked straight onto our tow truck.
Oh my God!
You got it.
He must deal with situations like this often. That's why he looks so professional, don't you think? You got a free car wash. Not bad at all. No damage to residents' property, but how you drive is your responsibility. And that's how Park Time gently reminds us. Park wrong, and the consequences can be very creative. If you enjoy this kind of entertainment, don't forget to follow the channel because chaos out there is still lining up for its turn on screen.